Coefficient of the candidate has given 74, 65. That is column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And minimum cutoff is column number 6. And we have filed a response to this also. And in fact, they have been issuing appointments as late as up to 2020.
21 also.
If your lordship will have page 18 of this compilation.
Just tell us, why is the cutoff different for the same district? Oh, general.
Maybe reserve and general. Reserve and general.
General SC.
So we have explained it a little better. Now please have our response. Page 4, if your lordship will have. Advertisement was 12, but they started the process only in 14. Page 4. Your lordship's got page. Title is B. With regard to appointment of assistant teachers in science maths for vacant posts in the council senior primary school issued by circular dated so and so after direction of the High Court, method of counselling process and recruitment. It is submitted this recruitment process from 30th August to 30th September. Applications were taken by candidates of all UP at district level on board because according to the Uttar Pradesh recruitment rule, only district basic education officer can appoint a candidate in his district. While applying, first of all, candidate had to choose the district in which he had to apply. Thereafter, 500 used to complete the application. Candidate applied in the districts. Coefficient of merit of each candidate on the basis of his academic percentage filled by the candidate in the application was prepared at the district level, which was as follows. Now, the coefficient we have given, my lord, and then total merit. In the above manner, merit of all candidates was prepared through software at the district level, and this merit was available to the district basic education officer of all districts. For example, in first counselling in district Bijnor, called 3 times the number of candidates relative to the vacant posts. Then that press release is given, Lord. I can read it to your lordships. Government order dated July 7 issued in relation to appointment of assistant teacher of science mathematics in upper primary school, etc. For the district Bijnor, 260 of the total prescribed science subjects. Checklist being issued for 5 times the number of candidates having reservation, 3 times other than special reservation for 260 posts. Detail of cutoff. So it all went as per merit. It's not that there was anything. Your lordship may then turn over the page. Those cutoffs, different cutoffs are prescribed. Then, my lord, para 4, Roman. It is submitted. After counselling is completed, the district basic education officer sends the details of the remaining vacancies to the Secretary Basic Education Council. After receiving details of all districts, the Secretary issues instructions for next counselling to all districts. The process of counselling should have continued till vacant posts of all vacant posts are filled up. And this was, in fact, not what happened. Twice it was stopped. First, immediately when the Code of Conduct of Elections was announced, there was a written order to stop it. After elections, another written order saying immediately continue and complete it. Then comes this oral direction when the new government comes into office. It is submitted that process of counselling took place in 7 phases. And those phases we have given, I need not read it. Then Roman 6. It is submitted that initial 4-stage counselling on the basis of merit, candidates were called by publishing a release in the newspaper regarding vacancy, in which marks and records entered in application were checked and matched. All certificates were checked. After investigation, if the candidate is found fully eligible and correct, his original academic documents were collected for advanced examination, due to which candidate could consider his selection and confirm, could not participate in any further counselling. It is submitted each counselling process from 1st to 7th. Candidates were called to verify and submit their documents through the cutoff issued by release, etc. I can read it or leave it, my lord. All documents were checked. Then Roman 8. Then it is submitted in 5th, 6th, 7th counselling. Candidates were called with attested photocopy of records, and only photocopies were submitted. Then, my lord, if your lordship will have, then we say that the process stopped. 9. It is submitted that all candidates appearing in the cutoff through attested copies thought it appropriate to participate in the counselling in as many as districts. Then we say, my lord, that because photocopy was allowed, there was a lot of overlap it is submitted due to counselling being done on photocopy. Candidates from all over the state reached maximum number of districts for counselling. Candidates who had participated in first to fourth stage also reached for the last third stage due to merit in home district. Because of this, thousands of low merit candidates were left out of the selection. Candidates who got counselling in more than one district took charge. Thousands of posts are vacant, etc. I can leave all that. Then, if your lordship will just see why the 8th counselling happened. This is para 14 Roman. It is submitted. Your lordship has 14 Roman. It is submitted. That process so far, only candidates who got 83 out of 150, that is 55.33 marks from reserve category in Uttar Pradesh teacher eligibility were considered eligible. But an order from the Allahabad High Court in which candidates who got 82 out of 150 also considered to have passed the teacher eligibility test. So again, on the orders of the Allahabad High Court, candidates who passed the TET by 82 marks were given a chance to apply for these 29,000 posts, after which the 8th round of counselling of the reserve category was organized on 8th March, whose appointment letters were distributed on 18th March 16 itself. So 8th, because that was for reserve. So, my lord, that is all that we have said, my lord. And then we talk about the single judge and the delay which they had, the delay, why it has occurred, my lord. If your lordship kindly see. If I can read from para 16 onwards, this will give your lordships an idea of what was happening. Because till 31st December, the secretary was saying, finish it quickly.
But are you aware of the marks obtained by you after applying this formula at page 5?
Yes, Malad, we've annexed it here.
Yeah.
We've annexed it here.
All the candidates,
Those who are
Yes.
before your lordship.
Yes, yes,
as respondents
this one.
in the special leave petitions,
Correct.
and those who are petitioning in the 32 petition.
Yes,
How
well,
many of them are there total?
we are at about 350, I would say.
Let us take it 350.
Yes.
You have the marks for all 350?
Yes, Malad, we put all the 350 here. We have put for 309 are here in this. Malad,
Yeah, I
in fact, this very accurate.
One thing, Mr. Bhatwani, this process started in 2014.